Want to know how to beat bigger snakes in Snake IO? So if you think bigger snakes are unbeatable, you're wrong. So here's how you can take them down easily. You need to keep in mind that bigger snakes move slower and take up more space. So you can easily use that against them. That is the main disadvantage. So make sure you stay close, wait for them to make a sharp turn, then dash across their head for the kill. Or better, just circle around their body and trap them when you're fast enough. Another pro trick, make sure you wait for two big snakes to fight and then swoop in to steal all the leftovers, or just third party them. So that's it. With patience and timing, even giants will fall. I hope this video helped. So make sure you just simply get towards Snake IO, use my trick, and you should be good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.